Welcome back to another cleaning video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I keep my utility room clean and decluttered. I just want to share this mop with you. I've been using this 3-way mop for most of my cleaning projects this summer. It really comes in handy for my daughter's pool area. It gathers up the mud at the bottom, and it's also really handy for cleaning the tarpaulin around the bottom of the pool. It just scrapes away all the leaves and all the dirt that's fallen from the trees, and it's just super quick and easy to use. To decluttering, I got these jars from IKEA and they cost between £1 and £3. My aim is to get everything decanted into jars and pots, including stuff like dog's food, cleaning products and general little things that just tend to get in the way. I've recycled all the leftover packaging. I can now store all my cleaning products on one shelf within easy reach. Next up, I'm going to tackle the shoe cupboard. We have a box of shoes that just kind of lie on the floor and takes up too much room, so I'm going to sort out the shoes and keep them neat inside the cupboard itself. And then within our utility room we have a really messy cloak area. I'm going to sort through the coats and just keep out the ones that we need for this season, leaving a nice clean area. As I've done that, I've noticed how messy the wall is and all the marks. Time to fill up a bowl with boiling hot water and stick in some sugar soap. I'm not sure if you've ever used sugar soap to clean walls. This is a trick my mum taught me, and it brings up the walls back to brilliant white. So there you go guys, if you love cooking, home styling, DIYs, then this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe.